Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the Loiley drone and the Ford DRCV4 mini foldable drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's talk about the first thing that makes your wallet cry: the price. The Loiley drone is priced at $99, while the Ford DRCV4 mini foldable drone comes in at $89. According to reviewers, the $10 difference might not seem like much, but it could be a deciding factor for budget-conscious buyers. One reviewer mentioned that the Ford DRCV4 offers a great price point, especially for beginners. So if you're looking to save a bit, the Ford DRCV4 might be the way to go. Next up, user-friendliness. The Loiley drone is like that overly helpful friend who's always got your back. It offers one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Plus, it comes with an app called Loiley Fly for smart control, and it even listens to your voice commands. Reviewers say it's perfect for beginners and offers a stable flight experience. On the other hand, the Ford DRCV4 isn't far behind. It's got one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, and even a VR mode. It also has gravity control and an auto-follow function, which one reviewer mentioned makes it a fun and easy option for kids and beginners. Both drones score high on user-friendliness, but the extra features on the Loiley drone give it a slight edge. Both drones come with a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted up to 90 degrees. However, reviews for the Loiley drone highlight its decent camera quality, suitable for casual aerial shots and selfies. Meanwhile, the Ford DRCV4 has mixed reviews regarding its camera. Some users found the image quality sufficient for family moments, while others were less impressed. Overall, unless you're a professional photographer, both drones should meet your basic camera needs. Let's talk flight time. The Loiley drone gives you 25 to 30 minutes of airtime with its two rechargeable batteries. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time and the durability of the drone. The Ford DRCV4 offers about 26 minutes with its two modular batteries, which one reviewer found satisfactory for casual use. Both drones are foldable and portable, making them easy to carry around for spontaneous trips. However, the Loiley drone's slightly longer flight time and sturdy build make it a bit more appealing in this category. Safety first, people. The Loiley drone comes with propeller guards and spare fan blades, which reviewers find reassuring, especially for beginners. The Ford DRCV4, on the other hand, is described as super drop resistant and has full guards to protect kids from the propellers. One reviewer mentioned it generates a lot of wind, making it tricky to steer indoors but still safe. Both drones offer good safety features, but the Loiley drone's additional spare parts give it a slight advantage. Loiley comes with a portable bag for travel, 24-hour technical support, and a quality warranty, which reviewers appreciate. It's like having a personal butler for your drone. The Ford DRCV4 also has its perks, featuring multiple fun functions like 3D flip, trajectory flight, and gesture photo. Reviewers highlight these features as making the drone fun and versatile. While both drones come with useful extras, the Ford DRCV4's variety of fun features makes it more appealing for those looking for a bit of extra fun. Overall, both the Loiley drone and the Ford DRCV4 mini foldable drone have received positive reviews, especially for their ease of use and affordability. The Loiley drone is praised for its stability, extended flight time, and supportive features, making it ideal for beginners and casual users. On the other hand, the Ford DRC-V4 is appreciated for its affordability, fun features, and ease of control, particularly for kids and novice pilots. So there you have it, folks. Both drones are packed with features and ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level. Whether you choose the Loiley drone or the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone, you're in for a fun ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you'd choose and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.